So today I have the 2024 Premier Spec, top of the range, Toyota CHR. And what a thing of beauty, look at it. From the front, from behind, and from the side. There just isn't an angle on this car that isn't good looking. I mean, come on, look at it. I think you'll agree, this is a stunning looking vehicle. As with all the Toyota CHRs, this drives very smooth. It's got the 19-inch wheels, which are a bit more comfort orientated. I took the CHR GR with the 20s out on a test drive, extended test drive. I took it out at night, gonna have a look at that video, and it was a bit more bumpy than this. This is very smooth. It's got the higher profile tyres. Let's just appreciate how good this, look at the lights on it. They are incredible. If you go and have a look at my other videos, you'll see that I have looked at lots of different specs, CHR, ranging from the Icon, bottom of the range at 31,000, right up to this, which is the Premier, at 42,700. But look at these seats, they really are nice. It's got a very, very nice smell of leather in here. If only you can smell it. If you're of a certain age like me and you can remember the leather shops or the leather stalls or markets that you used to get, these have a really strong, nice leather smell. That's what it smells like in here. It smells really good. It also comes with a thermal panoramic roof as well. But yeah, that's what it looks. We'll get around there in a minute. You've got the 12.3 multimedia. It has like an Alcantara on the door cards on it. Really nice, quite tactile. And then obviously the leather seats, which smell amazing. So yeah, I was just gonna see today what our £42,700 gets us compared to what I have been looking at. And it is quite nice. There's a couple of bits on there. I've looked at one of these before, quite a few months ago. So I just noticed a couple of bits else on this one. I'm gonna show you in a sec, but I thought I'd just bring you with me, as usual, on a 4K. We'll walk around, we'll have a look. Come on, look at that. Under these ultraviolet lights. I've not looked at one of these in here before, and it does look very nice. You'll see my other videos. This is the boot. This is a hybrid, self-charging hybrid. The Premier doesn't come in the plug-in, but the plug-in, you'll see on my other videos, the boot lid comes to about here, so you lose about that much in the boot. What have we got up here? You've got little T's on here. I think you've got, yeah, you've got like a 60-40 split. Also comes with a JBL woofer in the back, tweeters in the front. We'll get in there in a sec and have a look. You've got your inflation kit under there. Don't have any room for a spare wheel, unfortunately. So in the back, you've got the top tether for your child seat. So if you get the child seat here, you can restrain it from the top, and you've also got the ISOFIX points in the bottom. And down here, what they've done is they put an ambient light in a charging port, so at night you can see it and you won't miss it. My daughter will love that. She loves, we've got a RAV4. If you go and have a look at my videos, I've done my RAV4 video the other day actually, because we're just coming up to 4 years old in it, and I'm looking at changing it in. So I was looking at these CHRs, looking at RAV4s, go and have a look at my videos. I've got loads on here. You'll see, I like to research before I purchase. And I'll bring you along with me, 4K, so what's not to like? This one's got multi-adjustable electric seats, and it's got like settings here. So it can go back to the setting it was. But yeah, look at that in there. Let's jump in, like we normally do. Got the very nice 12.3 multimedia. Not sure if we can just about, it's got a heads-up display. Yeah, I think you can just about make that out, because obviously you've got the headlights in your field of vision in here, because it's reflecting back, but you can just about see the heads-up display there in the screen. So what I didn't notice last time I looked at one of these have a camera rear view mirror, but if you'll see now, that is actually a standard mirror, because I didn't realize under here is a little switch. So if you flip this, it flips it from standard mirror to camera view to standard mirror. So that's quite a neat little trick, because these don't have a rear wash wipe. So if it's a bit wet on the rear window, you can just flip it to camera view. And if you prefer it standard, you can just flip it back whenever you want it to. And talking of camera, down here, look, you'll see it's got a 360 view, which, in fact, let me shut the doors. As if by magic, now the doors are shut. So I'm gonna press this button down here, and you'll see what the 360 view does. It gives you a 360 view around the vehicle, so you can just see if there's anything under your wheels. So before you pull off, you can make sure there's gonna be nothing in your way, which is pretty cool. I've got that on my RAV. If you're gonna have a look at my RAV video, probably about 2 weeks ago actually. If you're going to have a look at that, I'm just about to sell it to try and part exchange it in for something different. That's why I've been looking at loads of different cars. It's got, mine is the same as that. Flip of the switch, it goes back to your nav on your lovely 12.3 screen. So what we've got down here, oh, it's actually air conditioning. Before I forget, this actually has nano purification. I didn't know that. That's another thing. So the mirror I wasn't aware of, that you could flip it to standard, and it has nano purification. That's it. I'll get my words out in a minute. So basically what it does, it puts moisture in with the aircon, because you know aircon used to dry people out, make you a little bit sick. In here it adds moisture, nanoparticles, which moisturize your skin and hair, making you feel refreshed when you get there. So you don't get that jet lag feeling after driving for very long periods. It definitely is a very nice premium feel in this cabin. I mean, them seats are very, very nice. Everything feels like the steering wheel in here has got a very nice soft leather on it. Should we have a look under the bonnet like we have been doing? Love the lights on this. This Premier spec has the 197 brake horsepower, 2-litre front-wheel drive, self-charging hybrid engine. You can't actually get this in the plug-in. Only the GR Sport Design and XL come in plug-in. This is 42.7 in this spec. You can get the design. See, the other day I looked at a design. If you go and have a look at that video, I looked at the design in white. The white is free on the CHR. It's a free colour, and you can get the plug-in in white with a black cap, so not this bit. You can buy a free black cap for it for 350 quid. In fact, I've just seen one earlier. Someone has actually ordered what I suggested. So I'd worked out in my head that if you buy the plug-in in design, in white, with the black cap, it comes under the 40,000 threshold for the higher rate tax. So it saves you the £410 a year extra on your road fund licence. Whereas this will come over the road fund licence charge, so you will have to pay £410 a year for 5 years on this, because it costs obviously more than 40,000. This is 42,700, but come on, you can forgive it, can't you? Look at it. So let's have one last final walk around this very good looking 2024 Toyota CHR Premier Spec self-charging hybrid, because come on, look at it. It looks so good, you just want to keep looking at it. If you enjoyed that video, please do give it a like. It will help my channel immensely, and I'll see you another day when I'm looking at things that have caught my eye, and I'll take you on a 4K walk to have a look with me. I'll tell you what I did notice the other day, actually. If you go and have a look at the video on the car, I did the CHR in white. When you get halfway down the road, obviously it sounds quad sound because these all ping in together. And when you're not used to it, you think you've hit something, because it gives quite an echo. But anyway, I'm waffling now. So you enjoy your day, thanks for turning up, and come on, look at that. Can't stop looking at it. But anyway, you have a great day, thanks for coming, like I said. Please do like the video, I'll see you another day. As expected, outside it looks just as good, look at that. Incredible paint, the glitter, I don't know if you can pick that up on the 4K, the glitter in the paint is superb. Really is a stunning colour.